everyone, welcome to Sounder Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to be taking the bloom for a spin again. Probably do 2 canvases. It'll be fun. Now if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And all my regulars that keep coming back, thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate every single one of you. All the thumbs up, all the comments, all the heartwarming messages that I got when I was ill and in the hospital. So thank you all so very much. You keep me going every single day. Alrighty, let's get this started. The colors I'm going to be using, a couple of primary element pigments. We've got Butter Toffee, which is this guy right here. It's kind of a greenish gold color. I don't know if it's going to show up well or not, but it's very sparkly. We've got, what is this one? Marigold. This one right here. It's a little bit of a orangey red. Very pretty sparkly primary element pigment as well. And I'm also going to be doing the orange metallic from this guy here, and the cadmium yellow hue, and the dioxazine purple. I think that's pretty much all my colors. I've got the rose gold for folk art, and malachite, which is a really pretty deep green. I think those are pretty much all my colors I'm going to be doing. Greg's going to hit some music, and we're just going to have some fun doing a bloom. Practice makes perfect, right? And I definitely love the fact that I splurged and spoiled myself and actually took the Shelley Art Bloom Technique course. If you get a chance to do it, I don't have a code yet for a discount on it, but I am working on it. Please find an artist that's got a discount code and go take the class. You won't be sorry. All right, everybody, let's get to it. Hit the music, hon. Thank you very much.
The sunshine fading slow, snowflakes on the ground again. The waiting is all we know. Will we ever make it out? I need a piece of your heart, honey. We're almost home. I can't make it here on my own. You'll be the first one, I'll be the last, babe, to say what's on your mind again and again. And not take too long, but I can promise keep on going, 'cause we're almost home. We've been dancing with our eyes from across the room. I've been calculating strategy when to say hello. I've been waiting for my moment. Someone swooped in and stole it. Oh no, oh no. I see you over there with your long legs. And I should ask you to dance, but oh, I have my doubts. I've been running lines in my head, trying to play it out. But I was born with 2 left feet and 1 foot in my mouth. If the planets align and the stars, they shine just right, I might take you home tonight. Oh, so here goes nothing. I hope it turns into something. I'm standing on this high dive, just about to jump in. And that smile's like a lighthouse guiding me to shore. I've been stalling here long enough, I can't wait anymore. It's a shot in the dark, and the odds are stacked. Baby, you hit me so hard, like a heart attack. She may be out of my league, I may be out of my mind, but I'm ready to jump now, I'm ready to fly. So if the planets align and the stars, they shine just right, I might take you home tonight. Tonight, tonight, tonight is the night. Tonight, tonight, tonight is my night. Tonight, tonight, tonight is the night. Oh, tonight, tonight, tonight is my night. Yes, it is tonight. Tonight, come on, tonight, dance with me. Tonight, tonight, till dawn. My night, gonna see. I'm ready, I'm ready to roll. Tonight, tonight, tonight is my night. It's a shot in the dark, and the odds are stacked. Baby, you hit me so hard, like a heart attack. She may be out of my league, I may be out of my mind, but I'm ready to jump now, I'm ready to fly. Since the shot in the dark, and the odds are stacked. Baby, you hit me so hard, like a heart attack. She may be out of my league, and I may be out of my mind, but I'm ready to jump now, I'm ready to fly. So if the planets align and the stars, they shine just right, I might take you home tonight. Tonight, come on, tonight, dance with me. Tonight, till dawn, my night, gonna see. Tonight, come on, tonight, dance with me. Tonight, till dawn, my night. We've been dancing with our eyes from across the room.
Lately I've been watching you close. We've been talking a lot and we both are running weak, trying to keep this all from falling back, letting life roll, trying to let go, and I know for a fact I love you, bigger than the sea. I love you, better than my coffee in the morning. I love you, wider than a river, bigger than the sea, larger than the sky, higher than fever. Lately we've been losing ourselves, are we? We tried but can't make it over this bridge, and time will tell. Why the hell is this so difficult? Did we do all that we can? Could we change the way this ends? Paint it over. Don't wanna let go, don't wanna let go. It hurts so bad, how can I do so? Don't wanna let go, don't wanna let go. And I know, I know, I know I love you, bigger than the sea. I love you, better than my coffee in the morning. I love you, wider than a river, bigger than the sea, larger than the sky, higher than fever. Bigger than the sea, larger than the sky, higher than fever.
How did I get here again? I was just here maybe 2 hours ago. How did I get here again? My 9 to 5 hours are draining all my energy. How did I get here again? My melodramatic nature's gonna do me in. How did I get here again? Now. Maybe if I close my eyes, I'll end up in some alternate reality, living out a dream I had when I was just a kid and singing in my daddy's car. Somehow my dreams slipped away, but locked inside a chest, hidden into my bed. You know my life's lemonade, it's not as sweet as people live me to believe. Maybe if I close my eyes, I wake up back home. Maybe if I close my eyes.